Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install multiple Python versions on Windows 10 and 11 easy tutorial. So in some cases, you may need multiple Python versions installed on your computer to support different projects or compatibility with certain libraries. Thankfully, Python's flexible setup on Windows makes it possible to run multiple versions side by side. So this tutorial will guide you step by step on how to install, configure, and manage multiple Python versions on Windows 10 and 11. Now, what are the prerequisites for this is you'll just need to go ahead and download the different Python installers that you want to see onto your device. So to download Python installers, head here onto python.org to get rid of onto their official webpage. So here on downloads, you should be able to see all releases and you should be able to locate the versions you want to install. So just scroll down, you should be able to see the active versions in here. And if you're looking for a specific release, we have it in here. So feel free to click on download onto each of the version that you have installed or the desired version. So you'll just need to download that, and once done, install it onto your end. So I have installed multiple versions already onto my end, as you can see, and if you click onto one installer in here, this is what it should look like. So since this one is currently the installed one onto my end or the default one, it'll ask you to just modify. But if it is onto a different version like 3.12, then you should be able to see an installation guide in here. Just make sure to add Python to path is checked to add a version to the system environment variables. Now, follow the installation prompt or just use the default installation and proceed. So once that one is done, we'll just need to verify or what Python is currently installed onto our end. So just search here onto our device command prompt. And we'll have to type in this Python version, enter, and then Python 3 dash dash version. Click on enter, and you should be able to see this one. So this one is the one that is currently installed onto my system. But if you want to change this, since I have installed also a lower version onto my end, so Python actually comes with a Python launcher that allows you to specify which Python version to use. So to check installed Python versions with, type in this onto your command line, enter, and these are the current versions that I have. So I'm currently using the 3.13 and we verified that one earlier. Now to modify this or to change this, we'll just have to view where this one are installed. So type in where Python. And as you can see, we have 3.13, 12, and many more. So for example, I want to use the 12 one. So I'm just going to copy this one out. This path. Copy that and we'll head onto the environment variables. So it should open something like this. Click on environment variables and here on system variables, find in for path. So click on that and then as you can see in here, Python 13 is the one listed here onto the upper part. So you could just simply edit that with the recently copied out version, with the version that you want to use. Then you'll have to click on OK to save that. Click on OK again, but if you don't want to replace it, you could just simply add a new one. So we have new in here, then just paste it here. But we're just going to replace it. Click on OK, OK again, and click on OK to save. Then we're going to open another command prompt for that to refresh this. And here, we're going to type in the Python version. So this time we'll have to make sure that we have already refreshed this so that we could see the new version or the downgrade version. Click on enter. And as you can see, 3.12.4 is already the version that we're using and not the 3.13 that we have earlier. And that is just how easy to install and manage multiple Python versions on Windows 10 and 11. So this is just a straightforward process. And if you want to switch back again, you'll just have to repeat the process and then type in 3.13 for that. So by using unique installation path, the Python launcher, and environment variables, you can ensure seamless switching between Python versions for different projects. So this flexibility will allow you to maintain compatibility and take advantage of Python's robust ecosystem. And if you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.